What's going on, guys? Bruce here, Bullish Currency, back at you with another Shiba Inu update, guys. These updates gotta come every single day because Shiba is on the move, baby. It's on the move. Look at that. Everything's green today. Everything's looking good. But before we get into the good news, the bad news, or whatever news we have, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And as always, guys, the information that we share here is strictly for entertainment and education purposes only. It is not financial advice, all right? Don't just buy something because we're talking about it. In fact, don't buy anything that anyone's just talking about. Do your own due diligence, guys. So with that being said, let's just get right into this because there's profits to be made in these crazy crypto spaces. So here we go. Shiba Inu, everything is green today. You know, the numbers are pretty decent. We're talking 6%. Over here, we're talking about a 62% positive on 24-hour volume, guys. Let's see what's going on in the news. I guarantee there's whales popping in left and right because look what's price is going up right now. Shiba Inu to be accepted by Carolina Hurricanes. Interesting. Shiba Inu surges 60% following whale 136 million Shiba buy. See, I knew it. Of course there's a new whale, or of course whales are added to the bag. That's what's happening right now. This is going to be a big move coming soon, guys. Let's check the holders as always. Look at that. Another solid increase of about 2,000 holders, but nothing like this 4,000 increase that we saw just the day before. But that's still some solid gain. I mean, people are piling on. You know, if we look at Doge having 4 point whatever million holders, we're only at a million. If we were to 4x our holders, I mean, where would we be with price and all that, guys? I mean, that's just insane when you think about the potential growth you can see here with Shiba. If it just catches up to Doge in the number of holders, that would be insane. We know the burn rate's coming. We know all the burn rate's about to increase. We know all this good news is about to happen. And hopefully, you know, sooner rather than later. Let's get right into the chart. The most important part, right, for me. And as you can see, guys, on a 2-hour time frame, you know, we had a nice bullish pattern that popped up down here. And of course, as soon as that pattern popped up, we ended up going extremely bullish. And then another pattern popped up, another bullish pattern popped up, and then we continued bullish. And as expected. And honestly, guys, look at where we are right now. Let me go to the 4-hour. We literally bounced right off that level I told you guys about that we needed to break through. And we did not break it, but let's see. You know, second time to be a charm. You know, we're probably going to come down and more than likely retest, you know, this area down here, quad 034 area, before we make a U-turn, right, and come right back up to potentially break this quad 037 area level that we have there. And of course, once we start to break that, that's when things are going to get very, very, very exciting. So right now, I'm looking at, okay. Let me pull up my trading view instead, guys, because my trading view has their markup. All right, so let's pull up trading view, Shiba chart, right? That's where my markup really is. I want to take a look at something. But yeah, guys, I hope you're ready for Christmas. It's going to be exciting. Hopefully we get a Christmas gift from the Shiba team. Hopefully they announce something somewhere around there. Okay, so we do have a little pattern here that's confirming bearish behavior. So I do think it's going to come down and retest that level I told you just a little while ago. Let's take a look at the MACD. And as you can see on the MACD on the daily, let me go to the daily. You can see we actually officially have our second green bar indicating reversal, right? And that's what we want. We want the reversal from here so we can start pulling up. If this daily candle can get back to being above this level with an hour left, that would be a great sign. But let's see. That's not an easy task because it is currently bearish. But the fact that we finally got, look at the last time, right? We had a lot of red bars, and then we finally got a baby green one, and then a nice one. And then after that, it was on like Donkey Kong, right? So if that can start to form here, we get more green bars, then we're going to be reversing more and more and more. And we do have all the confirmations we need. I mean, we can actually continue up from right where we are right now in the 1 hour. It doesn't have to continue lower, actually, because there's a little bit of a trend here, So I want to see I want to see what happens. Yeah, there's a little bit of a trend right here. So I would like to see it could just bounce off right here and continue back bullish, which would be great. Right. That's what we want. But guys, this is a significant gain in just a short amount of time. This is a significant gain that to happen in just about 24, 48 hours or whatever it's been. That's very significant, guys. We really needed to see this, especially when we were all the way down here. People were losing hope, right? I wasn't. And we made a big bull move here, a big bullish move. And I do think there's a good chance it's going to continue. This might be it, guys. I mean, I wouldn't be completely surprised if it did decide to start or continue consolidating. I wouldn't be surprised at all, if it just continue consolidating and ranging here. That wouldn't surprise me at all. But at the same time, guys, I just have a good feeling. We definitely need to break these levels, remember? So we didn't break them. And that's why I'm not getting too excited just yet. But I am excited and I'm happy that it made this move. And now we need to see what happens when it comes back down into this area here of quad zero. What was that? Quad 033, right? Quad 034 area around there. It could retest and then immediately start to pick back up. So when it goes into that area, what I would be looking for is I'd go down to the smaller time frames, maybe 1 hour, maybe even 15-minute, and I would start to see or wait to see a bullish pattern, or at least minimum a simple bullish engulfing candle off of the level or off of the trend line. So we're starting to bounce up this trend line now. So we just got to pay attention. We could definitely, this could be it. We could start reversing right here, right now, and start to go back to being bullish. So we'll keep our eye on that. But as of right now, guys, I feel good. I told you, I was bullish with Shiba. I didn't really lose hope. I didn't really get scared at all. I was just looking at the chart the whole time and nothing really scared me, and we really don't have that much news going on. Our holders are increasing nicely, right? Chainlink becomes top hit among Ethereum whales aside from Shiba Inu. Nice, right? So we got a lot of things going on positive. So I can't see anything but bullish, right? Unless we see some pure manipulation happening somewhere. But other than that, I don't see that happening. So we're bullish here with Shiba, guys. So that's it for today's update. Until the next update, stay blessed and stay bullish.